Here I'm asked to graph the function and then state the domain and range. So first of all, whenever I'm graphing, I like to look at my vertical asymptote of a log first because it is just my h value. I know my h value is positive 2, so that is where I get my vertical asymptote here at positive 2. Next, my general shape. So normally our general shape looks like this of a log, but that's not what it's going to be this time because we have a negative a value, meaning it flips vertically. So in general, our shape should look like this when we're done, and we'll double check that at the end to make sure that we are correct. Next, I'm going to use our reference points here to help us out. Reference point 1 is 1 plus h, which is the x value, and then k. I know my k value from my equation is just 7. So 1 plus h, let me just go ahead and write reference point 1. So 1 plus h, so 1 plus 2 is 3. My k value is 7. So there's my first reference point. I will plot that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my first one. Then my second reference point, and this one is b plus h. So my b value is my base, which is 4. And my a value is negative 1 here. Again, getting that from my equation. So the x value of reference point 2 is just b plus h. So 4 plus 2, which is 6. And then my y value is k plus a, which is also 6. So I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be a little bit cramped here, but I know that my general shape looks like this. I know it does not cross my vertical asymptote, so it's going to look something like this here for my graph. Goes through those 2 points and never touches that vertical asymptote. Now for the domain and range. My domain is restricted because we have a vertical asymptote here at our h value, which is 2. So that means that the lowest x value, the smallest x value that we're going to have is 2. And it never touches 2 because it's a vertical asymptote. So we use this open parenthesis, not a bracket. Then it goes on to infinity because it goes to the right forever. So in interval notation, there's my domain. My range, well, it goes up forever, and then it also goes down forever. So my lowest value is negative infinity because it goes on forever. That's not supposed to be a comma. And since it's in inequality notation, we're going to say that negative infinity is less than y because we're talking about the range, which is less than positive infinity because it could be all real numbers here. So negative infinity is less than y, which is less than infinity. So we got graph with our asymptote reference points, domain, and range. So we're all set.